What if I told you that, right now, there's an invisible force making decisions all around you? It recommends what you watch, helps doctors save lives, writes stories, drives cars, and is learning something new every single second. The strange part, most of us don't even notice it's there. This isn't science fiction. This is artificial intelligence, AI. A technology that started as a bold idea has become one of the biggest revolutions in human history. And if experts are right, the world you're living in today may look completely different just a few years from now. So, how did a simple dream of building intelligent machines turn into a technology powerful enough to change the future of humanity? Let's begin the story. The story of artificial intelligence in America didn't begin with robots or powerful computers. It began with a simple question: can a machine learn to think? Back in the 1950s, a small group of American scientists dared to imagine a future where computers could solve problems just like humans. At the time, it sounded impossible. Computers were slow, expensive, and could only follow basic instructions. But year after year, researchers kept pushing the limits. Universities, technology companies, and government agencies invested time, money, and brilliant minds into turning that impossible dream into reality. As computers became faster and data became more abundant, AI evolved from a laboratory experiment into a technology that now powers everything from smartphones to space exploration. What began as a bold idea in America has grown into a global revolution, one that's reshaping the future of the world. Every revolution has a beginning. America's AI revolution didn't start with ChatGPT or smart robots. It began decades earlier, with a handful of companies that believed the future belonged to intelligent machines. The story begins in 1993, when a small company called NVIDIA was founded in California. At the time, its mission was simple: build powerful graphics chips for computer games. No one imagined those chips would one day become the backbone of artificial intelligence, powering the world's most advanced AI systems. 5 years later, in 1998, two Stanford University students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, launched Google. What started as a search engine quickly grew into one of the world's most influential technology companies. But Google's biggest ambition wasn't just organizing information, it was teaching computers to understand it. That vision took a giant leap forward in 2011 with the creation of Google Brain, a research project dedicated to making machines learn from data. Then, in 2017, Google's researchers published a groundbreaking paper called "Attention is All You Need." It introduced the transformer architecture, a breakthrough that became the foundation for today's most powerful AI models. As AI research accelerated, a new organization entered the race. On December 11, 2015, OpenAI was founded with a bold mission: to develop artificial intelligence that could benefit all of humanity. While most people had never heard of it, its researchers were quietly building technology that would soon change the world. Recognizing AI's enormous potential, Microsoft invested $1 billion in OpenAI in 2019. The partnership combined OpenAI's research with Microsoft's global cloud infrastructure, helping accelerate the development of advanced AI systems. Then came the moment that changed everything. In November 2022, OpenAI launched ChatGPT, Within days, millions of people were using AI to write, learn, solve problems, and create content. Artificial intelligence was no longer a technology hidden inside research labs. It had become part of everyday life. Today, companies like Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA, OpenAI, Meta, and Amazon are investing billions of dollars into the next generation of AI. Their race is no longer just about building smarter machines. It's about shaping the future of technology, and perhaps the future of humanity itself. Across America, artificial intelligence is quietly stepping into offices, hospitals, banks, factories, and even courtrooms. It never gets tired, never asks for a raise, and can work every hour of every day. From writing reports and answering customer calls to analyzing legal documents and detecting diseases, AI is taking on tasks that once belonged only to humans. But this isn't simply a story about machines replacing people. It's about a world that's changing faster than anyone expected. Every major invention, from the steam engine to the internet, eliminated some jobs while creating entirely new industries. The question is whether this revolution will follow the same path, or whether AI will change the rules altogether. And then comes an even bigger concern. What happens when we begin trusting machines with decisions that shape human lives? Should an algorithm decide who gets a loan, who gets hired, or how a self-driving car reacts in a split-second emergency? These aren't just technical questions, they're moral ones. The risks don't end there. The same AI that can help scientists discover new medicines can also generate fake videos that look real, clone a person's voice in minutes, and spread misinformation across the internet faster than ever before. In the wrong hands, one of humanity's greatest inventions could become one of its greatest challenges. Artificial intelligence doesn't choose between right and wrong. It only follows the instructions we give it. Which means the future of AI won't be decided by machines. It will be decided by us. The real question is no longer what AI can do. It's what kind of future we want to build with it. Every generation witnesses a moment that changes the course of history. For our grandparents, it was electricity. For our parents, it was the internet. And for us, that moment is artificial intelligence. The AI revolution has already begun. It's no longer hidden inside research labs or science fiction movies. It's in our homes, our workplaces, our schools, and even in our pockets. Whether we embrace it or fear it, one thing is clear: the future is being written right now. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this documentary insightful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. And let us know in the comments: will AI become humanity's greatest achievement or its greatest challenge? Until next time, stay curious, because the future is closer than you think.